Hello guys and welcome to my new vlog. I'm here in this beautiful historical city of Madrid in Spain, and here I am on this street which is the Paseo del Arte. Let me take you around this historical city and have a walking tour and see what are the important sites that you can enjoy in the city. It's pretty cold out here, around 8 degrees right now, and looks like a very charming city. So it has started raining and the weather is getting colder. So just managed to get hold of an umbrella at one of the stores and the walking tour continues. So we are here and the rain is getting heavier and it's getting difficult to manage this umbrella with the wind as well. It's getting more chilly. But all in all, I must say, a very beautiful city, a very historical city, and there's lots to be seen. So the rains have increased and it's become very chilly, and it was so windy that I had to come into this restaurant called the Casa Garcia Cervezas and Tapas restaurant. So I'm here for a coffee and for some snacks. So until the rain is a little less, and then we'll go out again on the walking tour. So after that coffee break, I'm now on the way to Plaza Mayor. So this is Plaza Mayor, which is a major public square in the heart of Madrid, the capital of Spain. It was once the center of old Madrid. It was first built during the reign of Philip III. Only a few blocks away is another famous plaza, the Puerta del Sol. The Plaza Mayor is for the people of Madrid and tourists to shop, walk around, eat and enjoy the outdoors. So it's now time to walk back to the hotel. It's getting very cold and chilly and it's only around 4:30 p.m. But as you see in the background, it's getting a little dark with the winter time. And let's continue this tour tomorrow morning. It's the first evening in Madrid and time for some evening entertainment. Cheers. So here we are at the Real Madrid FC Stadium in Madrid. So let's now take a tour of this Real Madrid football stadium.
La Liga se retira el champions. Tanto que sean el mejor entrenador del mundo.
This gigantic trophy is the trophy of Ciudad de Vigo in 1982. These are some amazing trophies here. This is how the logos have changed of Real Madrid from 1902 right up to 2001. With the latest logo here in 2001. This is the VIP area at the stadium. now it's time to enter the dressing room of where the Real Madrid team players get ready before the match. Let's have a look, guys. So here are the showers, a jacuzzi pool which is at the moment covered. Here we are where they have the lockers for all the different players. And here now they move on after dressing. So guys, here we are at the Real Madrid Football Club Stadium, and this is what it looks like. And here we have the dugouts of the teams. So guys, here I am on this football pitch of Real Madrid Football Club Stadium here in Madrid, and it's definitely a great experience to be having a good feel of this stadium and to understand or to feel the energy levels, even though there's no match, but just to be here and to understand what really happens during a match which is houseful or a fully packed match here in this stadium. So this is the beginning of the Gran Via street, which is one of the most important streets here in Madrid, where you find a lot of restaurants and nightlife, and a lot of people come here as this is the main area to visit. So after that wonderful tour of the Real Madrid FC Stadium, I'm here now at Puerta del Sol, which is a square and one of the busiest places here in Madrid. It's almost getting dark. It's almost like 6:45 p.m. and I have a little short time, as from here we'll just visit the Gran Via street and then off to the airport. So let's have a look at the Puerta del Sol square. So Puerta del Sol is also the center of the radial network of Spanish roads. So here we are at 0 kilometers. As mentioned earlier, this is the center of the radial network of Spanish roads. So as you see here, it's a Sunday evening and we have loads and loads of crowd, very busy. People here for shopping, for great discounts on the weekend. And one of the best ways to spend your evening. So now walking towards Gran Via Street, which is one of the busiest streets with loads of cafes, restaurants, nightlife, and many more things to do in terms of just walking around So again, if you see in front of me, you see a lot of crowd. Being a weekend today, it's Sunday today, so a huge crowd here. People are come out. So here we are on Gran Via street in Madrid, one of the most popular streets. So as you see, we have a lot of malls here, and you find a lot of discounted stuff. So that's one reason that you see a lot of people coming for shopping. So here you have a casino on Gran Via. So this is the old post office. So guys, it's time to fly back home. I hope you enjoyed this video, especially the Real Madrid Football Club experience. Do like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned to my next vlog.